What's going on, y'all? It's your boy KELLZdaLOU again, man. I'm back with another Whipz video, and today we're going to be working on the C230 compressor, and I'm going to change out the cluster. You know what I'm saying? I got the new cluster for it, and I'm going to try to do this antenna only because the Benz is ready, but the apartment complex is tripping once again, and they talk about towing cars and this and that and doing that and inconvenience people. So I'm gonna get the Benz ready. This is the only thing it needs. So then when I drop it in the shop, so let's hurry up and get that done. Then you see in the background, I'm gonna work on the 740i. I got some parts for it. You know what I'm saying? And then I'm gonna drop that video too. So y'all stay tuned, man. It's your boy KELLZdaLOU, Whipz, HPNT. Let's get it. All right, y'all. We're on the white C230 compressor, and let me give y'all an update too of what I did or that came in. Remember, I had those empty. Those are the jack covers, you know, for the jack to go in, go all around the car. They finally came in. Y'all see? So I got all 4 of those. So now, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and do the dash cover. The dash cluster. Check it out. That's the new cluster. I'm gonna put in there the white background face. That's the old cluster in there right there. So let's get to it, man. And y'all gotta excuse me. I'm working with one hand, so I think I'm gonna stop and then show y'all the finished product. As y'all can see, it's ready to come out anyway. So I'm gonna come back with y'all, you know, and show y'all the finished product of it. So stay tuned. All right, y'all see it. That's the old cluster that was in there, and the new cluster that's in there. Focus. There you go. New clusters that in there. It took me a minute, but you gotta maneuver it around the steering wheel to get it up in there though, but it's in there. That look clean with the white car. You know what I mean? White cluster. Focus. White car. Now, let's go to work on this antenna. See if I can't get this antenna to be on there. So I'll hit back in a minute. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I think this antenna got me stuck. As you can see, it's got that little part right there in the white, the little circle. But the antenna I bought got the screw on. Focus. There you go. Got the screw on it, so it don't fit in that little spot. That spot right there. So I think I'm gonna look online, you know, for some more antennas to see if they got some different ones that'll come up off of there or something. But if not, I'm gonna just leave it alone for now. But as y'all see, like I said, everything is basically done on this car that I can do. You know what I'm saying? Changed out the cluster and everything today, you know. And like I said, I just gotta fix this window still right there. But I'm gonna do all that when I get it back from the shop. Probably change the wiper thing on it, get a new wiper blade on it and stuff like that. This has been sitting for a minute, but yeah, it's on the C230 compressor. Next video, I'll show y'all going on, you know, getting on the tow truck and going to the shop. You know what I'm saying? Once we get that back, you know, I'm gonna start work on this one, on the 745i. So I'm gonna go upstairs. I got the parts upstairs, so I'll bring those down and start work on that. So y'all stay tuned, man. Whipz, KELLZdaLOU.